Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how you can fix the tile size of your flooring. It's a very simple fix. Sometimes you bring in a nice texture, maybe you got it online, and then you bring it in and it looks bad. I'm going to do just that right now. So let's say I use this one here, and as you can see, it's just too big. So it's a very simple fix. You just right click, go to properties, and just put the dimensions. Maybe let's do 24 24, and then click apply. See how nice it looks already. Maybe 48 48. Find this 24 too small. Yep. And you can see my kitchen now looks really nice with nice tiles. Actually, this is for bathroom, but the same technique applies to kitchens, just about any flooring, office, you name it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.